Hey there, it's the Basic DIY Guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where you have one tail lamp brighter than the other. So just stay tuned and I'll show you a very easy fix to do in order to fix that and remedy that situation. So the solution is actually really easy. What you basically got to do is, because these bulbs operate as both a tail light, your regular tail light, and also the brake light, so a dual filament bulb. And what happened here is this side, opposed to that side, had the filament bulb twisted the other way around. So it had, I can show you here real quick, light, hopefully you could focus in there. Or you know what, I could actually bring a fresh new bulb to demonstrate what I'm trying to tell you guys in this video. So it's really simple. And you see a lot of this sometimes on the highway where people have the brights on both sides actually, and it looks like they're applying the brakes, but as a matter of fact they just have the bulb in a different orientation. So we know that when you put halogens in, it doesn't really matter which way you put them in, they'll still shine on regardless. Not like LEDs where the polarity actually matters. However, for dual filament bulbs it actually does matter. So just trying to get that to focus. So if you notice, there's two filaments. One is a straight line to the right and kind of like a scrunchy filament to the left. Yeah, I won't focus, but you get the gist of it. So basically one works for the tail light and one turns on when the brake's being applied. So in this case, for this bulb in particular, it was in a reverse order. So the simple solution, if this ever happens and you see one light bulb brighter than the other, simply just remove the bulb and just put it in the other orientation. So just take it out and turn it around. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna have to place you here real quick. Sorry that you're just seeing darkness. So I basically just took it out and I'm gonna orient it the other way and then place it back in. And there you have it. Pretty much all I did was remove that light bulb and turn it around 180 degrees, and it fixed the situation or the problem. Just depending on the camera angle, looks better than the other. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.